Hi everyone. So continuation of the previous video. This is also another topic called the high pressure processing that comes under the non-thermal processing technique. So the principle of high pressure processing is nothing but it is also one of the non-thermal preservation technique, and here the food is subjected to extremely high hydrostatic pressure, and the pressure is transmitted uniformly through the water, acting equally in all directions. So the process causes a minimal temperature increase so that the food is not completely cooked, and this also helps to preserve the natural color, flavor, texture and the nutritional quality of the particular food material. So this is also another very ongoing and the latest technique that is being applied in many food processing industry. So how the high pressure processing actually undergoes the microbial inoculation, that is the how the microbial gets destructed. So through the high pressure application, the protein and the enzymes present within the food materials gets denatured, and the disruption of the cell membrane structure also is being carried out, and after which there is a leakage of intracellular components that which helps to damage the DNA and the RNA present in the food materials, and the inhibition of the microbial metabolism and the replication is being carried out, and that which leads to the microbial cell inactivation and the death of the microorganisms. So this is how the mechanism of the inactivation of the microbes takes place. And coming to the equipment and the process of HPP. So actually, what is about the equipment? What the equipment actually consists? It's actually a thick-walled pressure vessel that is made of the stainless steel material, and this vessel is filled with a pressure transmitting fluid, that is actually mainly water is only used as the transmitting fluid. The food products are sealed in a flex loading into a vessel, so that the water is not being directly exposed to the food material. Then a high pressure, that is through the pumps, 400 to 600 megapascal of pressure is being applied to the water. This pressure is held for a specific time, typically just for only around 1 to 10 minutes ranging. Then after a holding time, the pressure is released rapidly. The treated food is then removed and stored under refrigerated conditions. So this is how the HPP process works under this equipment. So what are all the advantages of HPP? Actually, what happens when we process a food using a non-thermal technique HPP, it helps to preserve the food like taste, color, texture and the nutritional value of the foods. Obviously, it inactivates all the harmful microorganisms without the use of a very high temperature, and it helps to extend the shelf life while even maintaining the safety and the quality of the food product, and it do not require any chemical preservatives, and it supports a clean food labels, and it is more suitable for heat sensitive materials or the food and minimally processed food products, so that we can ensure a very high safety and quality with minimum quality loss in the process. So where it is being commercially applied. So it is being applied widely in the processing of juices, fruit juices, smoothies, purees and the guacamole, and more applied in ready-to-eat meat products, ready-to-eat poultry products, and those that are considered for safety purposes, and also used in the seafood products to inactivate the Vibrio species, and also helps to increase the use in the processing of baby products also for a very limited selected of dairy products. More popular in premium and minimally processed food products, it is being more commercially applied. So coming to the concept map of HPP. So this is the overall concept map, like how and for what it actually contributes. It gives a uniform processing, minimal processing method is being carried out. It extends the shelf life, and vacuum sealing is being ensured, inactivates the enzyme, preserves the flavor, texture, color, pathogen reduction, nutrients is being retented. In all ways, it is a very good technique. So how we can relate it with the design thinking? The HPP, first we can understand the user needs and the market demands. Based on the empathy, we can define the HPP problem statement, and we can generate